Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. So I hope we will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, first idea is simple and cute. This design is soft, colorful, and easy to make. We use flower, eggs, and a cute bunny theme. I will make your table look fresh and happy, perfect for Easter decoration at home. I hope you like these ideas. Bunny theme. Let's get you a cute Easter centerpiece. We add small bunny figures, pastel eggs, and soft flowers. Use a basket or tray as a base. This design looks sweet and lovely, perfect for family gathering and celebration. Try this idea at home. And viewers, flower design centerpiece. And viewers, next area is and viewers, Easter centerpiece is full of flowers. We mix fresh or artificial flower with decorate eggs. Lights color like pink, white, and yellow look beautiful. This design gives a fresh spring feeling, simple and elegant. And friends, basket centerpiece. This is Rosy Easter centerpiece ideas. We use a small basket, grass, and colorful eggs. Add candles of flower for a warm touch. This style look natural and cozy, perfect for farmhouse table decoration. And viewers,